How to insert a YouTube video in Canva. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to insert a YouTube video in Canva. Without further ado, let's get started. Open any web browser, search canva.com, press enter on your keyboard. Sign in to your account. Now you can open your design. Click on Apps on the left tab. Click search bar at top of your screen and type in Embed and hit enter on your keyboard. Click on the first app at top left corner. You can use an existing design or use a new design. So let us choose use an existing design. Select your project or share it with you. Once it gets open, you can easily find out the YouTube video link you want to add. For that, let me click on the new tab button and search YouTube, or directly you can open it. So suppose if this is the video, then you can easily copy the link. Once copied, come back to Canva. Now paste the web link at top left corner of your screen. Click on Add to Design. And as you can see that we have already inserted a YouTube video in Canva. Now you can easily click on the Share button and then export it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.